Hello and welcome to my English lecture video. I will teach you today some basic English words which you later on can upgrade to advanced level vocabulary. Surely this will give a great look to your English communication skill. And when you're speaking or uttering those words, you will inspire people by your fluency and by your standard vocabulary. I am Abid Rahman and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn to Fun. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notified for each and every new uploaded video. So here are basic 20 words along with their advanced replacements. So let's start. The first word is often used, that is good. Good. You can replace it with word exemplary. Exemplary. Bad. Bad, very bad. Deplorable. Deplorable. You can call the word big as enormous. Enormous. Small word can be replaced with petite. Petite. Happy. A person who is happy, he is jubilant. Jubilant. And a man who is sad, he is melancholic. Melancholic. You are nice. You are amiable. Amiable. A smart person is ingenious. Ingenious. Funny, hilarious. Hilarious. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Totally exhausted. Great. You are great. You are my audience. You are great. You are superb that you are watching my video. Superb. Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible cold. Abysmal. Terrible. Abysmal. He's too old. Outdated. That is ancient. Ancient. New. New. Innovative. Innovative. Pretty. Pretty. Exquisite. You are exquisite. You are pretty. Ugly. Very ugly. Repulsive. Repulsive. It's as easy as ABC. Easy. So say effortless. Effortless. Hope you learned and enjoyed a lot from this video. I'll be seeing you in next video, next session. Till then, bye bye.